Hey guys, it's Julian again. Sorry you haven't been hearing out of me in a while, but today I'm going to be teaching you how to install a texture pack on Mac. So right here, I'm going to download Puffy Lines texture pack. Going to download it. Okay. Now you may want to put it on your desktop. Now I'm just saying you don't have to, but I'm going to be doing it like that. You're going to want to compress 14 items. You're going to want to name it. I'm just going to name it Puffy Lines. Now you're going to want to do Command N so you can open a new window. Application support, Minecraft. And you want to go to texture pack. Then you want to take the zip file that you just made and put it in there. Now this texture pack will be in the description if you guys like it. Now let me test Minecraft. So just gonna go to Minecraft. I'm gonna want to click this. Click the mask again. There. Now you're gonna want to go to texture pack. Now it looks like it's working now. Let me check. If you need NC Patcher, I'm going to try to find it, put it in the description. Let me just call it test. How about that? God, I hate those moments when you have absolutely nothing to do. You just wait. Oh, looks like it's working. Ooh, bad lag. Okay, looks like I don't need any kind of NC Patcher. Seems to work. Look at that. I just found a nice escape system here. Now I'm going to go check for this. Okay, this seems to work for me. Okay, the mobs are fine. I'm gonna dig straight down, which you never do, kids, unless you're creative. Now let me go try to find lava. Okay, I found lava. Lava seems to look fine. Water also. Okay. So guys, that's how you install a texture pack. And if you need any help with, now if you're on a PC, I can't help you out because I'm personally not a PC guy. And if you're on Mac and it doesn't work, just put it in the comment section below, and I may be able to help you. But I wouldn't swear that I can help you. Okay, there you go. So that's how you install a texture pack on Mac. And yeah, so Julian,